Hello, welcome back to my channel Sinny's Primary Math. In this video, we are going to learn about the Pythagoras Theorem, the most well-known theorem in the world. Those who are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get my future videos and free worksheets. Pythagoras, a famous mathematician of ancient times, was born in Greece. In mathematics, the Pythagoras theorem is a fundamental relation among the three sides of a right-angle triangle. The Indian mathematician Bodhayana has also given an equivalent form of this property. You can get more details about them from website at andrews.ac.uk is a good site to know more about great mathematicians. The link is given in the description box below. In a right-angle triangle, also called right triangle, the sides have some special names. The side opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse. The other two sides are known as the legs of the right angle triangle. Look at the figure shown. The triangle ABC, the right angle is at B. So, AC is the hypotenuse. AB and BC are the legs. Children should get a clear understanding of the properties of a right angle triangle. Some children may be confused if the triangle is rotated and its orientation change. Labeling the right angle triangle. Look at the figure shown. Confusion often lies among children in identifying the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle, since it is not always apparent which side is longest. One way is to know that the hypotenuse will always be the side opposite to the right angle. Now look at the right triangle shown. A and B are the legs and C is the hypotenuse. The Pythagoras theorem is familiar to children as an equation relating the lengths of the sides A, B and C. The Pythagoras theorem is algebraically written as C squared equals A squared plus B squared. In fact, some children tend to memorize this formula. It is not enough to merely state the algebraic equation for the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem goes beyond the formula. It deals with the geometric connections as well. Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares on its legs. This is usually explained as the area of the square drawn on the largest side of a right triangle is equal to the sum of the areas of the squares drawn on the other two sides. The greatest significance of Pythagoras theorem is that it holds for all right angle triangles, large or small, irrespective of its size. If there is a triangle such that the Pythagoras property holds, then the triangle must be right angled. Squared relation. We can state Pythagoras theorem as a relation between the lengths of the sides of a right triangle. The square of the hypotenuse of a right triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. This leads to the Pythagoras theorem algebraic equation C squared equals A squared plus B squared. Let us examine these two statements of the Pythagoras theorem. The first statement is about areas. In the second statement, it is a relation about lengths. The Pythagoras theorem really talks in terms of the areas of squares on the sides of the right triangle. Now you may raise a question, is there any difference in these two statements? Both statements are equivalent to one another because the area of a square equals its side square. The teaching and learning of the Pythagoras theorem can be enhanced through the use of geoboard, paper folding and tangrams. To learn more, watch my previous video Pythagoras theorem with tangram. Many different proofs exist for this fundamental theorem. In my upcoming video, watch out for an interesting activity to prove Pythagoras theorem. Use of Pythagoras theorem in real life. Most of us think that the use of Pythagoras theorem is limited to geometry only. It is frequently used in architecture, woodworking and in other physical construction projects. We can also use it to construct perpendiculars and also for its verification. Architects use the Pythagoras theorem to calculate the heights of buildings and the lengths of walls, etc. This theorem finds huge application in the field of geography to calculate distance and heights. It is useful for two-dimensional navigation to calculate the shortest distance between 2 points. Hope you got a clear understanding of Pythagoras theorem and its significance in real life. I know you are interested to learn more. Sure, I will be back with another interesting video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Till then, bye.